Welcome back to our channel Hot Info News TV, where our dedication is to serve you better. Bloomberg sources guarantee Apple's mission for no-prick blood glucose observing is currently at a proof-of-idea stage and sufficient that it could come to showcase once it's more modest. The innovation, which utilizes lasers to measure glucose fixation under the skin, was already tabletop-sized however has supposedly progressed closer to an iPhone-sized model. It's been underway for quite a while. In 2010, when Steve Occupations headed up Macintosh, the organization purchased blood glucose observing startup Rarelight. However, no-prick screens are a test. In 2018, Alphabet's health subsidiary, Verily, scrapped plans for a smart contact lens that attempted to track glucose utilizing tears. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Please, if you love our video, click the like button, give us a thumb up, subscribe, share and drop a comment on the video you like to see next.